Imagine sitting inside your room, but suddenly your entire wall transforms into a massive movie theater. Apps float in the air around you. You control everything using only your eyes and fingers. No controller, no keyboard, no mouse. This is not science fiction anymore. This is the brand new Apple Vision Pro, and honestly, this might be the most futuristic product Apple has ever created. But here's the big question. Is it actually revolutionary or just an expensive gadget for rich tech lovers? Today we're doing the ultimate full review of Apple Vision Pro. We'll test the design, display quality, gaming, movie experience, comfort, battery life, productivity, and finally answer the biggest question. Is it really worth the money in 2026? So make sure you watch till the end because some parts of this headset completely shocked me. Let's begin, starting with the unboxing experience. As expected from Apple, the packaging feels incredibly premium. The box itself is clean, minimal, and futuristic. Inside the box, you get the Apple Vision Pro headset, external battery pack, charging accessories, light seal cushions, head strap, cleaning cloth, documentation. The headset instantly feels premium when you hold it. The front is made from curved laminated glass combined with an aluminum frame. It feels like a luxury product from the future. But there's one thing you immediately notice. This headset is heavier than regular VR headsets. You can definitely feel the weight after longer sessions, especially during gaming or watching movies for a long time. Still, the build quality is absolutely insane. Now let's talk about comfort and design. The Vision Pro looks unlike anything else on the market. Apple went for a futuristic ski goggle-style design with a glass front and soft fabric materials. The headset uses a modular cushion system, meaning different users can adjust the fit depending on face shape. The strap feels soft and premium, but honestly, for very long sessions you may still feel pressure around the forehead and cheeks. This is not something you wear casually for 5 or 6 hours straight. However, compared to many VR headsets, the balance is actually pretty good. One interesting feature is the external battery pack. Instead of placing a heavy battery inside the headset, Apple moved it outside to reduce weight on your head. The battery connects through a cable and gives around 2 hours of normal usage. For movies or office work, you can also connect it directly to power. Now this is where things become absolutely mind-blowing. The display quality on the Apple Vision Pro is honestly unbelievable. Apple uses dual micro OLED displays with over 23 million pixels combined. And trust me, this might be the sharpest display I've ever seen inside any headset. Text looks incredibly crisp, movies look cinematic, colors are vibrant, black levels are deep. And the clarity is so good that sometimes it genuinely feels like you're looking at a real monitor. This is the first headset where I could comfortably read websites and documents without eye strain. Watching 4K movies inside Vision Pro feels like sitting inside a giant IMAX theater. The immersive experience is absolutely next level. One of the most futuristic features is the control system. There are no handheld controllers included. Instead, Apple uses eye tracking, hand gestures, and voice control. And surprisingly, it works extremely well. You simply look at an app, then tap your fingers together to select it. That's it. The eye tracking feels almost magical. Menus respond instantly. Scrolling feels natural. And after using it for a while, regular VR controllers actually start feeling old-fashioned. Of course, it's not perfect. Sometimes gestures fail in dark environments, and occasionally the tracking can miss small finger movements. But overall, this is probably the best gesture control system available today. Now let's talk about the best part of Vision Pro: watching movies. This headset transforms your room into a massive cinema. You can resize screens, move them around your environment, and even create immersive backgrounds like mountains, lakes, or space. Watching movies inside Vision Pro feels absolutely incredible. The spatial audio also deserves huge praise. Sound positioning feels realistic and immersive. When watching action scenes or sci-fi movies, the experience becomes insanely cinematic. Honestly, if you love Netflix, Disney+, YouTube, or movies in general, Vision Pro may completely change how you watch content forever. Gaming on Vision Pro is interesting. This is not a hardcore gaming headset like some PC VR systems. Instead, Apple focuses more on mixed reality experiences and immersive casual gaming. Games look visually stunning thanks to the ultra-high resolution displays. Hand tracking also makes interactions feel futuristic. However, the gaming library is still limited compared to traditional VR platforms, and because of the high price, many gamers may prefer dedicated gaming VR headsets instead. Still, the potential here is massive. As more developers create apps and games for Vision OS, this ecosystem could become huge in the future. Now, here's something that surprised me. Vision Pro is actually very useful for productivity. You can open multiple giant virtual screens around your room, Safari on one side, YouTube on another, messages floating nearby. And if you connect a MacBook, you can create an enormous virtual monitor. For video editing, multitasking, studying, and office work, this feels incredibly futuristic. But there are still limitations. Long sessions can become tiring, and wearing a headset all day is not practical for everyone. Still, this might be the first real step toward replacing traditional monitors someday. Battery life is decent, but not amazing. Apple claims around 2 hours of normal usage. And honestly, that's pretty accurate. For heavy use like movies or gaming, the battery drains faster. For productivity and lighter tasks, you may get slightly more. I do wish Apple included a larger battery option, because once you start using Vision Pro, time passes very quickly. Pros: incredible display quality, best eye tracking system, amazing movie experience, premium build quality, futuristic interface, excellent mixed reality performance, powerful productivity features. Cons: extremely expensive, heavy for long sessions, limited gaming ecosystem. Battery life could be better, not practical for everyone yet. So, is the Apple Vision Pro worth buying in 2026? My answer is, it depends. If you are a tech enthusiast, content creator, developer, or someone who loves futuristic gadgets, this product is absolutely incredible. The technology inside this headset genuinely feels years ahead of the competition. But for average users, the price is still extremely high, and the technology, while amazing, still feels like an early step into the future rather than a perfect mainstream product. However, after testing Vision Pro, one thing became very clear to me. This is probably the beginning of the next major computing era after smartphones. And whether you buy it or not, the future is definitely coming fast. So that was my full review of the Apple Vision Pro. Would you buy this futuristic headset? Comment below and let me know your opinion. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more future tech reviews and insane gadgets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.